This method offers a simple and little to no cost entry into lockpicking and is the same approach I used when I first started. All you need is a pen with a metal clip, bobby pins, and paper clips. The bobby pins serve as the picks, the pen clip acts as a tension wrench, and the paper clips can be made into both. Find a pen with this style of metal clip and remove it by bending the clip up and pulling it out. It can be used like a standard tension wrench. This kind of pen clip also works. The barbs can be filed down if desired. Some pen clips will be too brittle and will break if you try to bend them. Here's a standard metal bobby pin. Some bobby pins may be too brittle or too flexible, but most should probably work fine. The bobby pin is bent at a 90-degree angle, with the jagged part folded back towards the straight section, forming a small triangle shape. Remove the plastic from the tip and bend it into a hook shape with some pliers. If you don't have pliers available, you can bend it in the keyway of a lock. You can file the tip of the bobby pin into a round shape to improve its feedback. Here's how to bend paper clips into a lockpick and tension wrench. The paperclip lockpick can be hard to use because of its tendency to bend easily, but it can still be useful sometimes. While these tools may not provide great feedback, they are sufficient for beginners to start practicing and successfully open some locks.